name is Ari Shibai. I'm a senior and a double major in environmental studies and studio art, and today I'll be walking you through building this tiny house.
Hi, this is Professor Almond, and so today we are working on our tiny house. The goal for today is to put the sheathing on the sides of our house.
One of the reasons that I joined this tiny houses class is because I love Professor Josh Almond, and I also really like the concept of building tiny houses and being sustainable.
Hi Rollins, my name is Christine Cole and I'm a studio art and art history double major. So during this stage of the build, we're putting the flashing on the walls to cover the seams of the plywood, and we are putting the house wrap around the house so that it is weatherproof and insulated.
So we're building a tiny house to investigate sustainability and things like global climate change and affordable housing, and it's part of a sustainability grant.
As an art major and someone interested in the environment, I'm really excited to learn real skills and apply those to building a house actually, and taking something that I learned in college into the real world. Here's where we're at now. We have the whole house covered and I'm really excited to see how the house turns out.
Good morning everyone, my name is Elizabeth Shugart. I am a senior in environmental studies and studio art. So the tiny house is coming together. We have the windows in mostly, and we have the door coming in next.
So right now we're waterproofing the windows with flashing tape. So we just put a diagonal piece right here, and now we have a waterproof window.
So I first started off with helping to lay the foundation for the trailer, and then I didn't see it for weeks, but now all the walls are up, all the windows are put in, and it looks absolutely amazing, and I am blown away.
I love tiny houses, and I think that this is such a cool project, combining art, aesthetics, and human well-being. So I'm all for it.
So we're at the house. This week we put on the windows and sealed the outside, so we'll be able to put the siding on next week.